Hey, DIY Dave here at Ugly Deck. So a lot of you folks are getting this adjustable post base with your Diamond Piers. And a common question we get is, what do I do with a big washer that doesn't fit on my Diamond Pier? And I got my big buddy Griffin here helping out. You'll notice the Diamond Pier already actually comes with its own washer. There you go, Griff. You hold on to that. The post base also comes with a washer. This is what you do with it. Why? Because my buddy Griff here, he'll show you. Put that washer on, buddy. Put that nut on, buddy. You got it. Folks, don't forget, leave the open end out. That way you can adjust this, tighten it after you get your post on it. And that's how you get the adjustable post base to work with your Diamond Pier. High five, Griff.